Good evening, everybody. Just got a new package in earlier this week. Actually, got two here that I'm going to show you that kind of go together. So pretty excited about that. Sorry, I haven't been around for a while. Had a couple things that I did get that weren't in my size. Decided to sell and just only like to show you guys things that I'm actually keeping. Or plan to do something with, but so I got something actually pretty cool here today. So we'll get to this in a second, but first we'll get to the shoes. So appreciate everybody who's watching my videos. So actually just looking at some of the YouTube stats, and I got one of these videos that we've got a decent viewing in Peru, out of all places in the world. So excited about that. Appreciate it. If you like what you see, subscribe to the page. Hit the like button there. Even if you don't, just to help a guy out and do those things. So now on to the shoes. So these are the Nike Lebron icons, John Elliott's. And so I have the shoes here, and I got the socks. So I was able to get those shoes on the John Elliott site. Kind of waited a couple minutes to see what it was going to be. I did like the shoe, but then just so I couldn't get it on the sneakers app like I normally do. So had to get it on the John Elliott app. Let's see, shipped out from California. And then here we go. So it's been a while since I've bought a pair of Lebrons. Actually, one of my favorite shoes I have are just a pair of LeBron 9s I have that I was actually wearing when my kid was born. So box seems a little bit beat right here. Not worrying about that. These are keepers for me. But on both ends, boxes kind of beat. So if see the label here, size 12. So LeBron X, John Elliott icon, size 12. So here we go. So flip open the box. Nothing special here. And then just we have paper, and it's a nice white and black shoe with our translucent material here, white laces. Just nice, it's nylon laces here, and so a lot of detail on these with the black and white stripes and the different materials that are here. Just the 8s are some of LeBron's favorite shoes. Some of the most comfortable. So actually pretty excited to wear these. So when we look here, you got the little swoosh here, and it's actually kind of minimal Nike labeling on here as well. So this is going to be kind of like a dressy sneaker. Definitely not going to play basketball in these. You got Nike on the tongue here. It's a different material. I don't know how well you can see it here in the camera, but the diamond patterning here, and then just inside, just a LeBron James, John Elliott logo here, and then here on the bottom, you can actually see kind of the figure 8 pattern here, and then into some of the Air Max here. So it's actually doesn't feel like a very heavy shoe. So I mean, if you're comparing it to your Flyknits or anything, yeah, but to some of these Jordans, definitely not. So we have the left one here, then the white one, or the right one just the same. A lot of translucent on here. So we have it definitely here. We're getting toward the toe box. Then we have it here on the on the side. So if I stick my hand in here, you can see that. So you also have to up your sock game with this, which I think is cool. And Nike's doing this with the React Element 87s as well. Saw a Yeezy coming out, the 350 that'll have some translucent as well. So it's pretty cool. Different materials. These aren't as high as I thought they were going to be. So I do like them. So now we get to the socks. So with these socks, I initially ordered these on John Elliott's site as well, because these socks were specifically made for the shoe and where the translucent is in the box. So I originally ordered them on John Elliott's website, got an email earlier in the week that they were not coming in and that I was going to be getting a refund from John Elliott plus a $25 credit. So appreciate that. Because I found a pair of shorts, these gold corduroy shorts that I like on the site. But then I come with the Nike site, and Nike had them. So same price, free shipping, and so ordered a pair there. Actually ordered a couple pairs, and so one came in, and then others are on the way. So, but this is what's cool. So with the sock, I mean it's a sock, but the way the sock's designed, so where you have the patterns here, actually go into where the translucent is on the shoe. So this is actually a nice feeling sock. I mean it's a little bit different than just your traditional Nike basketball sock. You have some ridges here. You have the kind of normal kind of cushioning that you have on here in support. Nice little swoosh logo, the John Elliott Lebron logo here, and so just actually putting my foot in here. Nobody wants to see that. So then if we actually put this in here, kind of simulate what the shoe will do here, you can actually see it here with the waves, kind of the chevron pattern here into the box. So just something a little bit different, but you can wear kind of whatever sock you want with it. But you can see here, the way where the white and the chevron lines up with the translucent here, so you can really see it all the way down to the sides and here on the bottom. So that's it. It's a really detailed shoe, but it's also kind of minimal shoe as well. I mean it's black and white, so this is really nice looking shoe, nice feeling shoe. Got that new shoe smell. So, really excited about these, and got another pair of shoes coming. Hopefully tomorrow, probably on Monday. That I'm excited about as well. That I'll show you guys. Have a special guest with me to show y'all as well. Because these aren't for me. These are, but the next shoe I have coming is not for me. So kind of have my special guest who this shoe will be for help me open it up, and so talk to you guys later. Once again, appreciate you watching, appreciate all the views and all the support. If you like what you see, hit that like button or just subscribe or both. So, and appreciate it. Leave a comment as well. So tell me where you're from, what you like. If you think I suck, that's okay too. But just appreciate everybody watching. Have a good evening, and enjoy the rest of your week.